And so this is fieldstone that I'm plucking out right now, and I'm just going to stack it all up here because I'm going to be using this stuff, so I don't need to put it on a pallet or resell it. So I've got, these are fieldstone, and you'll see here these shapes are all like a ledgestone, and then in that bin there is like a limestone. That's from a company called, oh, what is it called out of Las Vegas? Something Caster Studios, Stonecaster Studios. That's like a Nerf football material. It's good for making one or two batches, but then they just start ripping. And obviously the rubber molds will tear too in time. That's the Stonecaster Studio stuff. That's the rubber mold company, way better. And you can also go to smoothon.com and order rubber yourself and make your own molds. And you got to be wary, sometimes mice will get in there and eat these molds like that one did. But for the most part, if you take care of these will last a long time. These are probably 10 years old right here. Still just doing fine. The rubber mold company ones anyway. Those ones didn't last very long.